Okay, class 11. Now today we will solve exercise 5.1, complex number, chapter number 5, exercise 5.1. Question number 1, solution. Express each of the complex number given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus ib. So a plus ib is the complex number. A plus ib is the complex number. So from question number 1 to question number 10, we have to express the given information into a plus ib. So a plus ib. So number 1 is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. So in solution, first we will multiply. We can got 5 here. 5 into minus 3 by 5. Now multiply with I and I. I into I is I square. So we can got here 5. So this is minus 3. Now what is the value of I square? It is minus 1. Because I square equals to minus 1. So this equals to minus into minus is plus. It is 3. So answer is 3. Now in question number 2, I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. This equals to I to the power 9 is I to the power 4 whole square into I. I to the power 19 is I to the power 4 whole to the power 4 into I cube. So I to the power 4 is I square is minus 1. So I square whole square equals to minus 1 square. So I to the power 4 equals to 1. So instead of I to the power 4 we will write 1. 1 into I plus this is 1 into I cube. Now again we have to break this I cube. So 1 into I is I plus I cube is I square into I. So this equals to I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into I. So this equals to I minus I equals to 0. Now this is the question number 2. Now move to question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is I to the power minus 39. This equals to I to the power 4 whole to the power minus 10. It is minus 40. Now we have to multiply with I. So I to the power minus 40 into I is I to the power minus 39. Because the power of I is 1. So I to the power 4 is 1 to the power minus 10 into I. This equals to 1 to the power any number is 1. So it may be written as 1 by 1 to the power 10 into I. So this equals to 1 by 1 to the power 10 is 1. Because 1 to the power any number is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So 1 into I. This equals to 1 into I is I. Number 4. Number 4 is 3 bracket 7 plus I7 I bracket 7 plus I7. So this equals to, now simply we have to multiply. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 3 into 7 is 21I plus I into 7 is 7I plus I into 7i is 7i square. So this equals to 21 plus 21i plus 7i is 28i. So it is minus 7 because I square is minus 1. So 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 21 minus 7 is 14 plus 28i. Now this is the answer of question number 4. Now move to question number 5. Question number 5 is 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus 6i. This equals to 1 minus I. Now multiply with sign. Minus into minus is plus. 1 minus into plus is minus. 6 into I is 6i. So this equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus I minus 6i is minus 7i. Now this is the answer of question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is 1 by 5 plus I 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I 5 by 2. Now first make it into group as real part and imaginary part. So 1 by 5 minus 4 is the real part plus I 2 by 5 minus, it is minus into plus is minus, I 5 by 2. Now take LCM, it is 5, 1 minus 5 into 4 is 20 plus, now take LCM, it is 10, 5 into how much is 10? 2, so 2 into 2 is 4, I 4 minus 2 into 5 is 10, it is 25, I 25, so this equals to minus 19 by 5 minus 25 minus 4 is minus 21, 21i by 10. Now this is the answer of question number 6. Okay, this one for today. Thank you.